essential conjunctive adverbs you must know in Chinese. In this video, we are going to learn 不但而且 which means not only but also. Not only but also is a highly frequently used sentence pattern even in English, same in Chinese. So today we are going to make some examples by using 不但而且 not only but also. Well, can we please try to use 不但而且 not only but also when we are talking about some person? Here is an example. My Chinese teacher, Mr.Li, is not only very short, but also very fat. Wow. 我的中文老师 Mr.Li 不但很矮，而且很胖。我的 my 中文 Chinese 老师 teacher Mr.Li 不但 not only 很 very 矮 short 而且 but also 很 very 胖 fat. Well, besides person, is there any other topics that we can use 不但而且? How about weather? In Singapore, the weather is not only very hot, but also very humid. 在新加坡，天气不但很热，而且非常潮湿。在 in 新加坡 Singapore， 天气 weather 不但 not only 很 very 热 hot。而且 but also 非常 very much 非常 which means the same like 很潮湿 humid. Now please read after me again. 在新加坡，天气不但很热，而且非常潮湿。So when we are traveling, can we use 不但而且 to talk about our travel? Let's have a try. I and my family want to go to Beijing to travel. We can not only see the Great Wall, but also eat delicious food. 我和家人想去北京旅游。我 I 和 and 家人 family 想 want 去 go 北京旅游 travel。我们不但可以看长城，我们不但可以看长城 we not only can 看 see look 长城 Great Wall of China， 而且 but also 可以 can 吃 eat 美味可口的食物。Wow, 美味可口 delicious. Well, this is a 4-letter idiom. It's very good. If you use 4-letter idioms in your essay or your speaking, you really impress the examiner, and that really makes your performance much better. So, listen to Mr. Li and read after me again. 我和家人想去北京旅游。我们不但可以看长城，而且可以吃美味可口的食物。Well done. So whenever you want to say, I can not only but also do something, or I have been to not only that country but also that country, please use 不但而且。谢谢你。